Tired of generic WooCommerce checkout pages? Let's transform your online store into a conversion-crushing powerhouse using Elementor. First, we need to ensure you have the WooCommerce plugin installed and activated on your WordPress site. With that in place, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and go to Pages. Then click Add New. Let's title this page Custom Cart. Now, click the Edit with Elementor button to launch the drag-and-drop interface on the left-hand side. You'll see the Elementor widgets scroll down until you find the WooCommerce section. From the WooCommerce widgets, locate the Cart widget and drag it onto your page. This will automatically populate your cart contents now. You can style this widget to match your brand's aesthetic. Click on the Style tab in the left-hand panel to adjust colors, typography, spacing, and more. Next, we'll create our custom checkout page. Go back to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Pages, click Add New, and title this one Custom Checkout. Just like before, click Edit with Elementor. Once again, find the WooCommerce widgets, locate the Checkout widget, and drag it onto your page. This will display the default WooCommerce checkout form now. It's time to make it yours. Use the Style tab to customize the appearance of every element, from the form fields to the order summary. The crucial step for connecting these pages is to tell WooCommerce where to find them. Go to WooCommerce, then Settings, and click on the Advanced tab. You'll see options for Cart Page and Checkout Page. Here, you'll find drop-down menus for the Cart Page setting. Select the custom cart page you just designed, and for the Checkout Page setting, choose your custom checkout page. Make sure to click Save Changes. And that's it. Your beautifully designed, custom-branded cart and checkout pages are now seamlessly integrated, providing your customers with a professional and enjoyable shopping experience. For more Elementor tips and WooCommerce hacks, be sure to subscribe.